Welcome to our tutorial on how to unlock a protected worksheet if you have forgotten the password. Okay, let me show you how to unlock the worksheet. First, close Excel, then create a copy. Rename the file if you want. Then change the file extension to zip. Click OK to rename the file. Extract the zip file. Browse the Excel folder, then locate the Worksheets folder. This file with the XML extension is our worksheet, which is currently locked. Right-click on the file and open it with your preferred text editor. Locate the sheet protection section. You can find 3 variables here. To turn the password off, you have to change these ones to zeros. Then save the file. Now, zip the folder that contains the modified file. Finally, change the zip extension back to the original file extension. Open the file, and now you can edit the data. The sheet is unlocked. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more tips, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned.